Question 1. Who is the author of the legendary play, Romeo and Juliet? A. William Shakespeare. B. Charles Dickens. C. Leo Tolstoy. D. Homer. The correct answer is William Shakespeare. William Shakespeare wrote Romeo and Juliet around 1594-96. Known as the Bard of Avon, Shakespeare is widely regarded as the greatest writer in the English language, authoring 39 plays and 154 sonnets. Question 2. Who painted the world-famous Mona Lisa? A. Leonardo da Vinci. B. Michelangelo. C. Raphael. D. Caravaggio. The correct answer is Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa between 1503 and 1519. Housed in the Louvre, Paris, it is the world's most recognized and visited painting. Leonardo was the ultimate Renaissance polymath, painter, sculptor, architect and scientist. Question 3. Who painted The Starry Night? A. Vincent van Gogh. B. Paul Gauguin. C. Claude Monet. D. Paul Cézanne. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh painted The Starry Night in June 1889 while at the St. Paul de Mausole Asylum in France. Now at MoMA, New York, the swirling night sky masterpiece is one of the most reproduced artworks in history. Question 4. Who sculpted the iconic David statue? A. Michelangelo. B. Donatello. C. Bernini. D. Rodin. The correct answer is Michelangelo. Michelangelo carved the David between 1501 and 1504 from a single block of white marble. Standing 5.17 meters tall at the Galleria dell'Accademia in Florence, it is considered the pinnacle of Renaissance sculpture. Question 5. Who painted The Scream? A. Edvard Munch. B. Gustav Klimt. C. Egon Schiele. D. Ernst Kirchner. The correct answer is Edvard Munch. Edvard Munch created The Scream in 1893, painting 4 versions. The anguished figure under a turbulent orange sky has become one of art's most iconic images and a symbol of existential anxiety. Question 6. Who is known as the father of modern Indian art? A. Raja Ravi Verma. B. Amrita Shergill. C. Abanindranath Tagore. D. M. F. Hussain. The correct answer is Raja Ravi Verma. Raja Ravi Verma is called the father of modern Indian art. Born in Kerala, he was the first Indian artist to use oil paints and European techniques to depict Hindu mythological subjects, making art accessible through affordable prints. Question 7. Who wrote the epic novels War and Peace and Anna Karenina? A. Leo Tolstoy. B. Fyodor Dostoevsky. C. Anton Chekhov. D. Ivan Turgenev. The correct answer is Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy is considered one of the greatest novelists of all time. War and Peace, 1869, and Anna Karenina, 1878, are his masterpieces, sweeping epics of Russian society that defined literary realism. Question 8. Who composed the famous Symphony No. 9 Feet despite being deaf? A. Ludwig van Beethoven. B. Wolfgang Mozart. C. Johann Sebastian Bach. D. Franz Schubert. The correct answer is Ludwig van Beethoven. Ludwig van Beethoven composed his Ninth Symphony in 1824 while completely deaf, one of the most extraordinary feats in music history. Its final movement, Ode to Joy, is now the anthem of the European Union. Question 9. Who painted The Persistence of Memory, featuring melting clocks? A. Salvador Dali. B. Pablo Picasso. C. Joan Miro. D. René Magritte. The correct answer is Salvador Dali. Salvador Dali painted The Persistence of Memory in 1931. The iconic melting watches symbolize the fluid nature of time in dreams. Dali was the master of surrealism and one of the 20th century's most provocative artists. Question 10. Who wrote Gitanjali and became the first Asian to win the Nobel Prize in Literature? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Bankim Chandra. C. Sarojini Naidu. D. Premchand. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Gitanjali, Song Offerings, and won the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, the first Asian laureate. He also composed India's national anthem Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh's Amar Sona Bangla. Question 11. Who is famous for painting sunflowers and bedroom in owls? A. Vincent van Gogh. B. Paul Gauguin. C. Henri Matisse. D. Pierre-Auguste Renoir. The correct answer is Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh's Sunflowers series, 1888, and Bedroom in Owls are among the most beloved paintings in history. Van Gogh sold only one painting in his lifetime, but today his works sell for hundreds of millions of dollars. Question 12. Who created the Thinker sculpture? A. Auguste Rodin. B. Michelangelo. C. Bernini. D. Brancusi. The correct answer is Auguste Rodin. Auguste Rodin created the Thinker in 1904. Originally part of a larger work called The Gates of Hell, the brooding bronze figure became a universal symbol of intellect and philosophy. Rodin is considered the founder of modern sculpture. Question 13. Which iconic Indian woman artist is known as India's Frida Kahlo? A. Amrita Shergill. B. Sunita Rao. C. Anjali Ella Menon. D. Mrinalini Mukherjee. The correct answer is Amrita Shergill. Amrita Shergill, 1913-1941, is considered one of India's greatest modern painters. Born to a Hungarian mother and Sikh father, her vibrant depictions of Indian rural life and women draw comparisons to Frida Kahlo. She is a national art treasure of India. Question 14. Who composed The Four Seasons, one of the most famous Baroque works? A. Antonio Vivaldi. B. Johann Sebastian Bach. C. George Handel. D. Claudio Monteverdi. The correct answer is Antonio Vivaldi. Antonio Vivaldi composed The Four Seasons around 1723, a set of 4 violin concertos representing spring, summer, autumn and winter. A Venetian Baroque master and prolific composer, he wrote over 500 concertos during his lifetime. Question 15. Who painted The Great Wave of Kanagawa? A. Katsushika Hokusai. B. Hiroshiga. C. Utamaro. D. Hasui Kawase. The correct answer is Katsushika Hokusai. Katsushika Hokusai created the Great Wave of Kanagawa around 1831 as part of his 36 Views of Mount Fuji series. It is the most recognized piece of Japanese art in the world, and Hokusai worked productively well into his late 80s. Question 16. Who is known as the Sitar Maestro and brought Indian classical music to the world stage? A. Ravi Shankar. B. Zakir Hussain. C. Bismillah Khan. D. Ali Akbar Khan. The correct answer is Ravi Shankar. Pandit Ravi Shankar was the world's most celebrated sitar player and introduced Indian classical music to global audiences through collaborations with the Beatles' George Harrison. He won 3 Grammy Awards and the Bharat Ratna in 1999. Question 17. Who co-founded Cubism and painted Guernica? A. Pablo Picasso. B. George Braque. C. Joan Gris. D. Fernand Léger. The correct answer is Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso co-created Cubism with Braque and painted Guernica in 1937 as a protest against the Nazi bombing of a Basque town. One of history's most prolific artists, he produced over 20,000 works in his 91-year lifetime. Question 18. Which Indian filmmaker is called the father of Indian cinema? A. Dadasaheb Phalke. B. Satyajit Ray. C. Bimal Roy. D. V. Shantaram. The correct answer is Dadasaheb Phalke. Gundiraj Govind Phalke, Dadasaheb Phalke, directed India's first feature film Raja Harishchandra in 1913, earning him the title Father of Indian Cinema. India's highest film honor, the Dadasaheb Phalke Award, is named after him. Question 19. Who wrote Don Quixote, often called the world's first modern novel? A. Miguel de Cervantes. B. Dante Alighieri. C. Geoffrey Chaucer. D. François Rabelais. The correct answer is Miguel de Cervantes. Miguel de Cervantes published Don Quixote in two parts, 1605-1615. It is considered the first modern novel and the greatest work in the Spanish language. The story of the idealistic knight tilting at windmills has influenced literature for over 400 years. Question 20. Who is India's most famous modern painter known as the Picasso of India? A. M. F. Hussain. B. S. H. Raza. C. F. N. Souza. D. Taib Mehta. The correct answer is M. F. Hussain. Maqbool Fida Hussain M. F. Hussain is called the Picasso of India for his vibrant, expressive paintings often featuring horses, Bharatanatyam dancers and Indian mythology. He was a founding member of the Progressive Artists Group and a Padma Vibhushan awardee. Question 21. Who is the Mexican painter famous for self-portraits and for the two Fridas? A. Frida Kahlo. B. Diego Rivera. C. Jose Orozco. D. David Siqueiros. The correct answer is Frida Kahlo. Frida Kahlo is one of history's most celebrated artists, known for deeply personal and symbolic self-portraits. The Two Fridas, 1939, is her largest and most famous canvas. Her life and art have become global symbols of resilience and feminist identity. Question 22. Who is known as the King of Pop and created iconic albums like Thriller? A. Michael Jackson. B. Elvis Presley. C. Prince. D. David Bowie. The correct answer is Michael Jackson. Michael Jackson's Thriller, 1982, is the best-selling album of all time with over 66 million copies sold worldwide. As the king of pop, he revolutionized music videos, dance and global pop culture and remains one of history's best-selling music artists. Question 23. Who is called the God of Small Things? Wait, who is the legendary tabla maestro of India? A. Zakir Hussain. B. Allah Rakha. C. Ravi Shankar. D. Bismillah Khan. The correct answer is Zakir Hussain. Ustad Zakir Hussain, 1951-2024, is widely regarded as the world's greatest tabla player. He collaborated with George Harrison, Mickey Hart and countless global musicians, bringing Indian percussion to international stages. He won multiple Grammy Awards and the Padma Vibhushan. Question 24. Who wrote the Harry Potter series, one of the best-selling book series in history? A. J. K. Rowling. B. Roald Dahl. C. S. Lewis. D. Philip Pullman. The correct answer is J. K. Rowling. J. K. Rowling's Harry Potter series, 1997-2007, 7 novels about the young wizard, has sold over 600 million copies in 85 languages, the best-selling book series in history. The franchise spawned films, theme parks and a global cultural phenomenon. Question 25. Which Indian director won an honorary Academy Award in 1992 for lifetime achievement? A. Satyajit Ray. B. Mrinal Senata. C. Shyam Benegal. D. Adoor Gopalakrishnan. The correct answer is Satyajit Ray. Satyajit Ray received an honorary Oscar in 1992, just weeks before his death, for his extraordinary humanist contribution to world cinema. His Apu trilogy, 1955-1959, is considered among the greatest film series ever made. He also received India's highest civilian honor, Bharat Ratna. Question 26. Who painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling in Vatican City? A. Michelangelo. B. Leonardo da Vinci. C. Raphael. D. Botticelli. The correct answer is Michelangelo. Michelangelo painted the Sistine Chapel ceiling between 1508 and 1512, including the famous creation of Adam's scene. He worked lying on scaffolding for 4 years. Pope Julius II commissioned the work and it remains the world's most iconic fresco. Question 27. Who wrote the timeless epic, Ramayana? A. Maharishi Valmiki. B. Maharishi Vyasa. C. Tulsidas. D. Kalidasa. The correct answer is Maharishi Valmiki. Maharishi Valmiki is the author of the Valmiki Ramayana, one of the greatest epics in world literature with 24,000 verses. Written in Sanskrit, it narrates the life of Lord Rama. Valmiki is revered as the Adi Kavi, first poet, of Sanskrit literature. Question 28. Who is the lead guitarist of the Rolling Stones, called the world's greatest rock and roll band? A. Keith Richards. B. Jimmy Page. C. Eric Clapton. D. Jimi Hendrix. The correct answer is Keith Richards. Keith Richards co-founded the Rolling Stones in 1962 with Mick Jagger and is one of the most influential guitarists in rock history. His signature riffs on Satisfaction, Jumpin' Jack Flash and Start Me Up define the sound of rock and roll for generations. Question 29. Who is the legendary classical dancer who popularized Bharatanatyam globally? A. Rukmini Devi Arundel. B. Bala Saraswati. C. Mrinalini Sarabhai. D. Yamini Krishnamurti. The correct answer is Rukmini Devi Arundel. Rukmini Devi Arundel revived and popularized Bharatanatyam on the world stage, establishing Kalakshetra in Chennai in 1936. She transformed the classical dance form from near extinction to a globally celebrated art, earning the Padma Bhushan and a nomination to the Rajya Sabha. Question 30. Who painted Girl with a Pearl Earring, often called the Dutch Mona Lisa? A. Johannes Vermeer. B. Rembrandt. C. Jan Steen. D. Peter the Hooch. The correct answer is Johannes Vermeer. Johannes Vermeer painted Girl with a Pearl Earring around 1665. The mysterious, luminous portrait of an unknown girl with a large pearl earring has been called the Dutch Mona Lisa. Vermeer created just 34 to 36 known works, each a masterpiece of light and intimacy.